Hello and welcome to this video on Bitcoin mining. In this video, we'll be discussing the process of mining Bitcoin and the role it plays in the larger Bitcoin ecosystem. So, what is Bitcoin mining? At a high level, mining is the process of verifying transactions on the Bitcoin network and adding them to the blockchain. When a transaction is made, it is broadcast to the network and verified by miners. If the transaction is deemed valid, the miner adds it to a block of transactions, which is then added to the blockchain. But why do we need miners in the first place? Bitcoin is a decentralized network, meaning that it is not controlled by any one central authority. Instead, it relies on a network of computers, or nodes, to verify and validate transactions. Miners play a crucial role in this process by using their computational power to solve complex mathematical problems and verify transactions. So, how does a miner get rewarded for their work? Whenever a miner adds a new block to the blockchain, they are rewarded with a certain amount of Bitcoin. This reward serves as an incentive for miners to continue participating in the network and helps to secure the network by ensuring that there are enough miners to verify transactions. But mining isn't just about getting rewarded with Bitcoin. It also helps to ensure the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. By requiring miners to solve complex mathematical problems, the network is able to prevent fraud and double spending. The hash rate, or the computing power of the Bitcoin network, is an important factor that affects the security and stability of the network. A higher hash rate means that the network is more secure, as it would be more difficult for an attacker to overpower the network and alter the blockchain. A higher hash rate also makes it more difficult for malicious actors to carry out double spending attacks, where they try to spend the same Bitcoin multiple times. An important mechanism in Bitcoin mining is the difficulty adjustment. It ensures that the average time to mine a block remains consistent, regardless of changes in the hash rate of the network. The Bitcoin protocol adjusts the difficulty of mining every 2016 blocks, or approximately every 2 weeks, based on the overall hash rate of the network. The purpose of the difficulty adjustment is to keep the block time, or the average time it takes for a new block to be added to the blockchain, at a consistent level. This is important because the block time affects the overall security and stability of the network. If the block time is too long, it can create delays in transaction processing and make the network more vulnerable to attacks. On the other hand, if the block time is too short, it can lead to overloading the network and making it less efficient. So how does the difficulty adjustment work? Whenever a new block is mined, the network compares the block time to the target block time, which is a predetermined time set by the protocol. If the actual block time is shorter than the target block time, the difficulty is increased, making it more difficult for miners to find new blocks. If the actual block time is longer than the target block time, the difficulty is decreased, making it easier for miners to find blocks. This helps to ensure that the block time remains stable, even as the hash rate of the network fluctuates. It's important to note that the difficulty adjustment also plays a role in regulating the flow of new Bitcoin into the market. The block reward, which is the amount of Bitcoin that miners receive for finding a new block, is halved every 210,000 blocks, or approximately every 4 years. This helps to ensure that the rate of Bitcoin inflation remains predictable and controlled. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining is a crucial process that helps to ensure the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. It allows for the decentralization of the network and enables anyone with the necessary resources to participate. If you're interested in learning more about mining and how you can get involved, be sure to check out our other videos on the subject. Thanks for watching.